fraction. Today I will discuss all the type of fraction. Fraction means fraction equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator, that is called fraction. Example, three by 7 is the example of fraction. If numerator equal to 5, denominator 8, then fraction equal to 5 by 8. Suppose in this fraction 3 is called numerator and 7 is called denominators. Now type of fraction. Types of fraction. There are 3 types of fraction. That means fraction proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. That means there are 3 types of fraction. 1 proper fraction, 2 improper fraction, 3 mixed fraction. Now proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. Example, ten by 12. Here 10 is less than 12. This is numerator and this is denominator. In which fraction numerator is less than denominator, or you can write denominator is greater than numerator, they are called proper fraction. 2. Improper. In this fraction, denominator is greater than numerator. Example, 12 by 7. numerator is less than denominator. Here this is numerator and this is denominator. Improper fraction, that means denominator is less than numerator. Example 12 by 7. That means 12 is greater than 7. Like 10 by 3, 27 by 15, 30 by 18, etc. All are denominator is less than numerator. That means numerator is greater than denominator. They are called improper fraction. 3. Mixed fraction. In which fraction one is integer and another is proper fraction, that is called mixed fraction. 7 and 1 by 2, this is integer. It can be negative or positive. More example of mixed fraction: 3 and 3 by 4, 5 and 1 by 3, all are integers. This also you can write -7 and 1 by 2. These are all mixed fraction. Next, there are more fraction. Example like fraction. Like fraction, that means which fraction denominator is same. Example 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 8 by 7. You see all denominators are same. They are called like fraction. It is 2. Unlike fraction. Unlike fraction, that means all fraction numerator and denominator are different. 3 by 5, 4 by 8, 1 by 17, all etc. You see here all are different. They are called unlike. 3. Unit fraction. Unit fraction, that means numerator will be 1 and denominator anything. Example 1 by 5, 1 by 12, 1 by 15, 1 by 23, all are unit fraction. That means like fraction, unlike fraction and unit fraction. Okay. Now improper fraction convert into proper fraction. Improper fraction mean numerator is greater than denominator, like 7 by this change into mixed fraction. Like this, you divide it 7, 3, 2, 6, 1 by 3. That means this is integer and this is proper fraction. This is called mixed fraction. And this is improper fraction. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. This convert into mixed fraction. More example: 21 by 6. This is improper fraction. Now change into mixed. 21 you divide 6, 3, 18. That means 3 by 6. This you can cancel it. 1 by 2. That means 3 and 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. Improper fraction change into mixed fraction. Next, more example: 33 7 by 7. Now divide it. 33 4, 28 5 by 7. This is mixed fraction, this is improper fraction, this convert to this. Now mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Mixed fraction, that means 7 and 1 by 2. This is integer and this is proper fraction. Now it will be this into this plus this. That means 7 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 14 plus 1 by 2. That means 15 by 2. This is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. That means this change into improper. This is mixed. This is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. And this is improper. Improper fraction. Now more example. Suppose 50 divided by 7. 7 and 1 by 7. Now this into this plus this. That means 7 into 7 plus 1 by 7. 49 plus 1 by 7. That means 50 by 7. That means numerator is greater than denominator. This is improper fraction. And this is mixed fraction. Now one more, 2 and 1 by 2. This into this plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. That means 4 plus 1 by 2. That means 5 by 2. Numerator is greater than denominator. This is improper fraction and this is mixed fraction. This convert to this. Now fractions reduce to lowest form. Reduced to lowest form means, suppose given 36 by 72. Reduced to lowest form, that means you divide numerator and denominator by same numbers. You see, here is 6 and here is 2, or even number. That means both are divisible by 2. Now you divide by 2. 3, 1, 8. This is 3, 6. Again divisible by 2, 9, 18. Now this is divisible by 3, 3, 6. Now 1, 2. That means 1 by 2. The reduced form of this is this answer. Now more example. Suppose 500 by 1000. This cancel. This 0 with 0 cancel. 0 will be cancelled from the end of the digit. That means from right hand side. This and this. Now it is divided by 5. 1, 2. That means answer will be 1 by 2. Suppose another example. 105 by 210. Here this 0 will not be cancelled. The last digit is 5 and here is 0. That means both numbers divisible by 5. That means 2, 1. This will be 4. We cancel by 5. That means 4, 2. Now cancel by 3. 7, 3, 1, 4. Now this is cancellation by 7 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is answer. Okay. Give greater than less than equal to sign. 1 by 7, 3 by 8, 6 by 7, 2 by 3, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 4 by 5, 3 by 4, 1 by 9, 2 by 4. Here, at first you multiply this into this and this into this. 1 into 8, it will be 8, and 7 into 3, 21. That means 21 is greater than 8. That means you will give this. Here means this fraction is greater than this. Again, 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 6, 18. 7 into 2, 14. That means 18 is greater than 14. Then you give this. Now 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 8, 8. That means both are equal. We give equation. Now 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 15. That means 16 is greater than 15. Then we give this sign. Now 4, 18. That means 18 is greater than 4. That means we give this sign. Okay. Fill up the blank space. Fill up the blank space. 3 by 7 equal to 9 equal to 28 equal to 15 equal to 70. From here to comes this, that means 9. This is smaller than this. That means you get this one by any number multiply by this. That means 3 into 3, 9. That means you do here multiply by 3. Here also you multiply by 3. That means it will be 21. If you cancel it, that means 3 by 7. Again you see how it comes. If this is greater than this, then you get any number multiplied by this. That means 7 4 ja 28. Here also you multiply by 4. That means it will be 3 4 ja. Again 3 into 5 15. Then it will be 7 into 5 35. Now here is 7 given as 70. That means into 10. Here also you multiply by 10. That means it will be 30. These are all fraction comes any number multiplied by main fraction. Now you give it like this: 10 15 equal to 3 2 this 4 like this. You see here, how come here? 15 comes 3. That means divided by 5. It comes by 5. Now you divide it by this also divided by 5. That is it become 2. Here also you see how it comes divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 means 2. 15 divided by 2 means 3. Now you see it is come 4. At first you divided by 5, then 2 come. Again multiplied by 2. That means 4. Again at first divided by 5, but 3. Next 3 into 2, it will come 6. That means at first 10 divided by 5, 2 comes, then 2 into 2, 4. Again this one divided by 5, what comes? Then into 2. Then this will be come. All equivalent. Here you see equivalent fraction, equivalent fraction. This is one kind of fraction. This and this called equivalent fraction. This and this called equivalent fraction. How you get equivalent fraction? Like this example 2 by 3. Give 3 equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. How? That means you multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Like this 2 by 3 into 4 into 4. That means 8 by 12. Next 2 by 3 into 5 by 5. That means 10 by 15. This and this all are equivalent fraction, because if you cancel it, cancellation bar reduced to lowest form, then you will get this number. Again, this fraction reduced to lowest number, you get this fraction. Hence this are called equivalent fraction. This is more one type of fraction. Okay. Arrange in ascending orders. Suppose given fraction 2 by 5, 1 by 10, 4 by 15. Ascending order, that means smaller to greatest. At first you find the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. 5, 10, 15. Both are divisible by 5. 1, 2, 3. All are difference number, but all are prime number, not divided by any number. That means LCM equal to 5 into 2 into 3. That means LCM is 30. Now 30 divided by this one, 5, that means 6. 30 divided by this, that means 3. 30 divided by 15, that means 2. Now you write 2 by 5. 2 by 5 equal to 2 by 5 into from first fraction you get 6. That means both you multiply by 6. That means 12 by 30. You take next number 1 by 10. That means 1 by 10 into, so number is 3. 3 by 0. That means 3 by 30. Next 4 by 15. You get 2. That means 4 into 2 by 15 into 2. 8 by 30. From here you see the denominator in each case are same, but numerator are different. From here you see this is the 12, 3 and 8. Ascending order, that means smaller to bigger. That means smaller is 3. See, that means 1 by 10. Next 8. 8 means 4 by 15. Next 2 by 5. This is ascending orders. If descending order, then descending orders, then greater than to greater to smaller. That means strict opposite. 2 by 5, then 4 by 15, 1 by 10. That means arrange in ascending order. That means when 2 or 3 or 4 fraction given, then at first you find the LCM of denominators. Here 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. All are divisible by 5. Hence 5 1 ja 5. 10 divided by 5, 2. 15 divided by 5, 3. Now this number not divisible by any number, hence be 5 into 2 into 3, 5 into 2 into 3, that means 30. Now 30 divided by 5, that means 6. 30 divided by 10, that means 3. 30 divided by 15, that means 2. Now we take first 2 by 5, that means 2 by 5 into, from first fraction 6 you get 6 by 6, that means 12 by 30. Next 1 by 10, 1 by 10 into 3 by 3, that means 3 by 30. Next third fraction 4 by 15, 2 into 2, 8. Now all denominator are same, 30, 30, 30, but numerator is difference. Ascending order, that means smaller to greater, and small is 3, that means 1 by 10. Next greater number 8, 4 by 15, next 2 by 5. And descending order, that means greater to smaller. Take opposite of ascending order, 2 by 5 greater than 4 by 15, greater than 1 by 10. Okay. Addition of fraction. Addition. 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 6. 7 by 20 plus 8 by 20. Here denominator same, that means very easy sums, that means 10. Actually system, the LCM of 10 and 10 is 10. Now 10 divisible by 10 means 1 into 3, that means 3, plus same. Again 10 divided by 10, that means 1 into 4 equal to 4, that means it will be 7 by 10. When denominator is same, directly you can write 3 plus 4, 7. Here is same. LCM is 6, 1 plus 3, that means 4 by 6. This one you can write, you can reduce to lowest form. Both are divisible by 2, that means 2, that is 3, that means 2 by 3. Again this one 20, you can write 7 plus 8, 15 by 20. Both number divisible by 5, that means 3, 4, that means 3 by 4. Answer. Now subtraction. 8 by 15 minus 3 by 15. 6 by 10 minus 2 by 10. 9 by 12 minus 3 by 12. Addition and subtraction are same process. That means here is 15, you write 15. And 8 minus 3. It will be 5 by 15. Both are divisible by 5, that means 1 and 3. 1 by 3. Here also same. 10, that means 6 minus 2. It will be 4 by 10, that means cancelled by 2, 5. It will be 2 by 5. This is the answer. And here also this is the answer. Next, LCM is 12. 9 minus 3. That means 6 by 12, cancellation by 2. That means 1 by to answer. When denominator are same in both cases, then addition and subtraction is very easy. At first you will write 10, get this plus this. Here is, you see, 15, then you write 15, next this minus this. Okay. Addition. 3/7 plus 5/40. But here is denominator are difference. Then how you can find? At first you do LCM 7 and 14. The LCM of 14, that means both are divisible by 7. 1, 2. Now LCM into 2, that means 14. The LCM of 7 and 14 equal to 14. Now 14 divided by 7, that means 2. Then 3 into 14 divided by 2, that means here, plus 5 into 14 divided by 14, that means 1. That means 6 plus 5 by 14, that means 11 by 14. This is answer. That means in addition, at first you will find the LCM of denominator 7, 14. LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. You write here 14. Next 14 divided by 7, that means 2. 3 into 2 plus 5 into 14 divided by 14, 1. 6 plus 5 by 14, that means 11 by 14. Another way you can find the addition of this. How? By denominator same. How it is possible? That means 7 and 14 LCM is 14. That means 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. 14 divided by 14, 1. Now 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7 into first number 2 by 2, that means 6 by 14. Next 5 by 14, 5 by 14 into 1 by 1, that means 5 by 14. Now 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14. From this one you can write this 6 by 14 plus, from this you can write 5 by 14. The LCM is 14. Then 6 plus 5, 11 by 14. This is answer. That means in both cases, by this method it will get the result 11 by 14, and by the second method you can get the same result 11 by 14. In both cases equal. This is method number 1, and this is method 2. You can apply any method. Okay. Now subtraction. 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. At first, you find the LCM of 7 and 14. LCM of 7, 14. That means LCM equal to 7 into 1 into 2 equal to 14. Now 14. 14 divided by 7, 2. 2 into 3. That means 3 into 2 minus 1. 14 divided by 14 means 1. 1 into 1. 3 to 6 minus 1 by 14. That means 5 by 14. Answer. This is method 1. That means the process is, at first you find the LCM of denominator. Here 7 and 14. LCM is 14. Now you write 14. Now 14 divided by 7, 2 into 3, minus is minus, if it is plus then plus, then 14 divided by 14, 1 into 1, 1. That means 6 minus 1, 5 by answer. Now method 2 you can also, method 2, 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. The LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. That means 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. 14 divided by 14, 1. Now 3 by 7, that means 3 by 7 into, here is 2, 2 by 2, 6 by 14. And next 1 by 14, 1 by 14, 1, 1. That means 1 by 14. Now from this you can write 6 by 14, minus from this you can write 1 by 14. Here is 14, 6 minus 1, that means 5 by 14. Answer. In this method and in this method, both have the same result. That means you can apply any method. Okay. Multiplication of fraction. Eight by 100 into 50 by 60. You will cancel the numerator and denominator by the same numbers. You can cancel this, or this. Now cancel it. 0, 0 cancel. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Again you cancel this and this. Divided by 2 and divided by, it will be 4. Again this and this is divided by 2 and divided by 3. That means answer will be 2 by 3. Answers. Next, one more. 50 by 250 plus 8 by 24 plus 9 by 18. Now here 50 by 250 into, that means multiply 8 by 24 multiply 9 by 81. Now cancel. 0 0 cancel. Now this divisible by 5, that means 1, and this is 5 times 25. 1 3 1 9. Now 1 into 1 into 1, that means 1, and 5 into 3 into 9. 5 into 3 into 9, that means 15 into 9. 5 9 45, carry 4 13, that means 1 by 135. This is answer. That means here is given 8 by 10 into 50 by 60. Now cancel, that means divide numerator and denominator by the same number. Suppose here is cancelled by 2, that means divided by 2 is 4, and this 0 0 cancel, and 6 divided by 2 means 3. Next 2 2 2, and 5 to the 10. That means answer 2 into 1 2, and 3 1 into 3, that means 3. One more I am giving example. 3 by 5 into 25 by 9 into 0. Here cancellation is not required, because a fraction multiplied by 0, then you will get 0. This is shortcut answer. Anything number 0, that means 0. Okay, this is the answer. Divide of fraction. Divide, that means suppose 3 by 7 divided by 27 by 40. How it is possible? That means at first you write this one 3 by 7. Divide, that means you give sign multiplication, and this one will be changed. Denominator change into denominator change into numerator. That means it will be 49 by 27. And that means divide change into multiplication sign, and after division fraction will be changed numerator denominator. Now cancellation. Divided by same number, that means 7 1 is 7, 7 7s are 49. Again this and this, that means 3 3 9. Not cancellation. Then 1 into 7, that means 7, and 1 into 9, that means 9. Now this is cancelled. More one example. 2. 81 by 810 divided by 27 by 9. Now same process. 81 by 810. Here it will be changed into 9 by 27. Now cancellation. This one in cancellation by 9, that means 9 1 is 9, 9 9 90. Again divided by 9, 9 9 is 81, 10, 9 1 9 3. That means it will be 1 into 1 means 1 by 30. This is answer. Simplify. Simplify. 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 plus 5 by 28. At first, this one is plus and this one is plus. At first you do plus after minus. That means 3 by 7 plus 5 by 28 minus 1 by 14. At first you will find the LCM of these two. That means LCM of 7 and 28, it is divided by 7, 1, 4. That means LCM equal to 28. That means 28. 28 divided by 7, 4 into 3, 12. Plus 28 divided by 28, 1 into 5. Minus 1 by 14. Now 12 plus 5, it will be 17 by 28 minus 1 by 14. Now again LCM 28 and 14, LCM is 28. Now 28 divided by 28, that is 1 into 17, that means 17, minus 28 divided by 14 means 2 into 1 means 2. That means that means 17 minus 2, 15 by 28. This is the answer. Another way, here I do at first addition after minus. Directly you can do it like this way. At first directly 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 plus 5 by 28. Take the LCM. That means LCM of 7, 14, 28 is 28. Now 28 LCM. 3 into 28 divided by 4, that means 28 divided by 7, that means 4. Minus 1 into 28 divided by 14, 2. Plus 5 into 28 divided by 24. It will be 12 minus 2 plus 5 by 28. Now this is plus and this is plus. This will be 17 minus is only 1 minus 2 by 28. It will be 15 by 28. You can apply this process or this process, or are same process. Okay. Same play 5. Suppose 3 by 7 divide 9 by 12 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 9 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. You apply here Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule. Bracket of first divide, multiply, add, and subtraction. That means here is divide and here is divide. At first you do divide, the function of divide. 3 by 7. Divide you give into 14 by 9 into 1 by 3 divide 9 by 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now cancellation. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. This 3, this 3. That means here 1 into 2 into 1, that means 2 by 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now addition. Here is addition. At first you do here. That means LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. Now 2 into 4 divided by 1 means 4 plus 1 into 4 divided by 4 means 1 minus half. That means 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into here. 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Here you do KCM 4 LCM. That means 9 into 4 divided by 4 means 1 minus 1 4 divided by 1 is 2. That means 9 minus 2 by 4. That means 7 by 4. Let's change into this fraction. 1 4 3. That means 3 by 4. This is inside. You see, this is the most important sum. Simplification of fraction. Here is divide given, here is divide given, plus minus. If bracket given or of given, O means of, and this means bracket. There are 3 types of bracket. This is first bracket, this is second bracket, this is third bracket. That means here is divide, that means into, this will be changed, it will be 14 by 9, and into 1 by 3. Here divide means into 9 by 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. And here is calculation. Cancellation numerator and denominator. I get 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Next addition, get subtraction and get the answer. Okay. If 3 by 7 of property if the value of 3 by 4th of property is rupees 90,000. Find the value of 1 by 7th part of body. If the value of 3 by 10th of property is rupees 90,000, find the value of 1 by 7th part of property. You write answer. 3 by 7th part of property